Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the two products that I ordered online, which are an important electronic equipments or components. So let's begin. This is our box of resistor. Let's keep it aside and let's see the breadboard. And this is the breadboard of medium size, and this is our box of resistor which contains 150 resistors of different values. It contains from 1 ohm to 100 ohm. It also contains 1 million ohm resistor, so it is much more valuable because it cost me only $1. This breadboard also seems of very good condition. Let's see. Yes, it actually is in a very good condition. It is of medium size, which can be used to run simple circuits or little bit more complex circuits easily without soldering anything. Let's attach a diode here and see what happens. So it is a very good deal. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.